Hi friends, welcome to 100 Days of Pockets. Do you see this adorable little pocket? This clips right onto your journal page and the pocket is right here. Isn't it so cute? So if you want to see how this came together today, hang tight, here we go. My friends, today you are going to need a large paper clip, some scrapbook paper, or a book page. Some small scraps for layering, glue, scissors, and all the goodies for embellishing. First thing you're going to want to do is cut your paper to 2.5 by 5. All right, my friends, I have my piece of paper cut into 2.5 by 5, and I have my paper clip. So the first thing we're going to do is fold this in half. Now, the next thing we're going to do is add our paper clip. Now, be sure to check out Cindy's channel today because she might be doing this one a little bit different than me. So let's say our paper clip is here, then, oh, hold on, I'm going to turn that around, actually, like this. I want the long part on the end. It doesn't really matter, that's just my preference. Okay, now, like I said, I'm doing this a little bit different than she is. I'm fairly certain, although I'm not 100% certain. All right, so this is how I'm gonna do this. I've got my butterflies, they're in the proper position. They're not upside down like this, right? And then I have the long side back here. And here's where it might get a little bit different than how Cindy's gonna do it. I'm gonna go ahead and cover my paper clip with some scrap paper. I am going to add some Aleene's tacky glue onto that piece of scrap paper. But I want to secure this paper clip. So I'm adding hot glue right here over top of the paper clip. Now I'm going to secure this into place. Now we're going to take our glue and we're just going to go down the sides with it. And now we're going to fold this together. And now we are to the fun part, which is to embellish this. So I'm going to go ahead and add this pretty green butterfly. And I chose the green one because I feel like it'll really pop off of the little pocket here. So we've got that on there. And then I'm simply going to add a flat back pearl in each corner. Super simple. But it'll add a nice little bit of shine. And I think I'm going to go with pink, and I was wondering if I should go with hot pink or the soft pink, but I'm going to go ahead and go with the soft pink. Oh, that does look pretty. The soft pink looks nice. All right, my friends, my little flat backs are still drying, so there's still a little bit of a glue mark there. I wanted to show you the pocket here. Here is a little piece of paper that I popped into the pocket. This opens up. So you have a little bit of journaling space there. Let me pop that back in there. Oops, I didn't get both halves in there. There we go, getting both halves in there. And then I have to be careful when I do it, but I want to sample this for you. I realize that this is ephemera, but let's pretend this is a journal page. So if this were a journal page, you just take your paper clip there and slide this right onto your journal page. How cute is that, you guys? I love it. Do you love it? I think it's so stinking cute. And my friends, that was day 11. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're following along. Please be sure to check out Cindy. And also I wanted to let you know that she has a booklet with the 100 Days of Pockets. You can download her booklet and have it as a wonderful guide. So check out my description box. The link is in there for that. Thanks for watching. See you soon.